MIB stands for Motor Insurers Bureau. Motor Insurers Bureau is basically a non-profit organisation, and the purpose of MIB is really to make roads safer and also to deal with the impact of uninsured drivers. MIB is embarking on a digital transformation journey, like many companies are. We have basically incurred technical debt throughout the many years that we've been in business. We have old, not fit for purpose data centers where we have a lot of old kind of equipment. It's not very scalable, not very resilient. So we wanted to change the culture within MIB and adopt a more DevOps approach. And MIB doesn't really have experience in-house, using Agile or DevOps. So our preference and approach was to adopt a cloud-first strategy. We need to partner with a company that's got the battle scars and has done this many times with other customers. The project was already in flight, so it's part of the digital transformation project. And we chose BJSS to actually help build that foundation for us in an automated way, using as much orchestration and automation as possible. So BJSS was asking the right questions. Their approach was more, help us understand your business, help us understand where the pain points are, help us understand your application estate. This was the first kind of introduction of DevOps into MIB. We also considered the people and the process aspect of it and the cultural aspect. So what does it mean for people's skills, and how do we keep them motivated, and how do we ensure that we take them on the journey? So the people, process and the technology part was worked out quite early on with BJSS and MIB to ensure that this would be a success. So what the MVCC has done for us is really kind of increased our security posture. It's introduced new technologies. It's introduced a new way of working, as in DevOps. It's introduced a continuous integration and continuous development way of working, which means we are building our products in an incremental way. We are getting incremental value for the business, which means whatever we build, we know it's secure. So I think that's a really big benefit to the business. BJSS has done this with many other companies, so they understand the pitfalls, they understand the blockers, they understand what works and what doesn't work. They made it very clear to us from the beginning that the people and the cultural aspect needs to be worked on just as much as the technology, which I think that gets missed a lot. It was really invaluable to get BJSS's experience and also to work with a company that's not just focused on cloud infrastructure and lifting and shifting workloads to cloud. So BJSS has been really understanding of MIB's requirements. BJSS has really tried their best to understand the culture of MIB. They've really been regarded now within MIB as an internal member of the team, and their expertise and their advice is really valued.